If you ever wanted your footage to look like your favorite movie, this is probably one of the easiest way to do it. Inside of DaVinci Resolve, you can literally copy the color grade straight from any image and apply it directly to your own footage. And honestly, this quick and dirty method works way better than I expected. So let me show you how to do it, because this genuinely makes color grading under tight deadlines ridiculously easy. So here inside DaVinci Resolve, I gathered 3 different clips, all of me being in the subway station in Hamburg. Here, this one is a reference clip that we will need to copy this grade from. This is obviously Star Wars, and I really like this darkish green kind of tint, and it's easier to just copy it straight away from this clip instead of grading it from scratch. Obviously, it's not going to be as clean as a grade, but if you need something quick and dirty, this method works great. So what you want to do is go to your color page, and in here, select the clip that you want to start grading. And right now this clip is still in log. So the first step is we have to convert it into a usable format. Let me quickly do that by quickly just adding a color space transform. And what we want to do now is add 3 more serial nodes. To keep the organization, let's relabel them: color space transform, primaries, match, and saturation. And the important node is going to be this match node, and we will start with that. So choose a time that you want the clip to match to. And then it's as simply as selecting your match node, going to the reference image, right click and click on shot match to this clip. And as you can see, the match is already really close, but there are some things that we can tweak to even enhance it without overcomplicating the process. In your match node, go to key and then to key output. And here you can basically adjust it depending on the intensity. So 1 means 100%, but we could also do 0.7 for 70% of the effect. Next up, we can go into our primaries, and here we can adjust our exposure. So as we can see, our highlights are a bit overexposed. You can see it here in the frame, but also in our scopes. So for that, we can go simply into our color wheels and just decrease our gain by a bit, so our highlights show up again. If we're happy with that, we can also go quickly to our reference frame, take a look here, and I feel like it's slightly a bit more saturated in our image right here. So to adjust that, simply go into saturation and either use saturation or color boost. Maybe let's choose 20 in our color boost just to give it a little bit more saturation. Here's the before and after, and it's as simple as that to quickly match the color from a different reference footage or image to your own clip. And then to copy to other clips, you can just simply go to gallery, right click and say grab still. And then here it's simply as dragging and dropping it on your other clips as well. And if you feel like it doesn't match as well, you can still adjust primaries, saturation, or even here in match, just go to key again and maybe increase it to, let's say, 1, for example. And this is how you can color match any footage in DaVinci Resolve super easily, super fast across your entire timeline. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one.